Today we're gonna react to the PlayStation event.
Games.
Yeah, it was a game event like 1 month ago or something like that. I don't know, it's old, but
You are old.
we're slow with this kind of content.
We are old.
And we're gonna react as a gamer and as a non-gamer to some most popular game trailers from that show. Let's see what a non-gamer have to say about this. So yeah, this is like
not gameplay. The gameplay, right?
some of them. I think some of them have some gameplay. So this is like Horizon Zero Dawn, the next game. You don't know even the first one, but
I know the next one.
you're gonna see this one.
What?
I kind of like the world.
What kind of game is that? Survival?
It's like an RPG, like kind of Assassin's Creed, all the new ones.
Turned to graves.
I love the graphics.
In their place.
The world, I think, it's really interesting. You're not a... You... I like that the fact that it's full of colors.
Who is she?
The main character.
I love the pet.
Yeah, it's a world with robots and stuff.
Poor wolf.
Worse and worse.
See, that's a
Robot
robot turtle.
turtle. What the fuck?
Until it destroys
In
us.
the first game, you kind of fight dinosaurs, robots.
There's nothing I wouldn't do to
Interesting.
save this fallen explorer.
That was a croc or something, I don't know.
Alligator.
Alligator, yeah.
Of course. It was a robot. Everything is robot. Or what?
Yeah, like almost every enemy is a big robot, but there are some humans I think that are bad.
No barrier I won't cross. This mission is mine alone.
Whoa,
If I
powerful.
falter, if I fail, there won't be anyone left to stop what's coming.
What is it?
You know.
This dude is a villain from the look of it.
Oh yeah, and your main weapon is a bow.
You fight robots with a bow.
Yeah.
Excuse me?
You have all kinds of arrow, like electric arrow or explosion arrow, stuff like that. You can craft them. And okay, I personally looking forward for this game because it's like it has a lot of different biomes. Like you can go underwater. There's snow. There's
I'd like to fight a robot with a bow. I'd like to see that.
so yeah, you'd like to try it, right?
Yes.
Nice. Next one. This one is the continuation of the Spider-Man from the PS4. You played a little,
Yes.
and this is with the Miles Morales.
Spider. Is this flesh? It's like
Her dad said that. He was right. Now it's your turn. Go be a hero, Miles.
the fuck?
I don't know what's happening there, to be honest. But I think the game will improve on the first one, and there was some snow in New York, so Manhattan or whatever. And just for that, I would love to play it.
It has a feeling of like webbing through the city is nice.
Yeah, webbing through the city it was really good in the first game. So
Well, let's see with this Miles Morales.
yeah, I don't know what to say much about it, but I would like to try
It
it.
was kind of short though.
Yeah, it is a short trailer.
It was like a few pew 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 pew. I'm Miles Morales. Let's play.
Okay, this one is one of my most anticipated games. You won't like this one, but the trailer. I mean, you don't like the gameplay of this one. You saw me playing some kind of games like this. But let's see if the trailers at least
I'm playing.
spark something in you. Stop playing the small tail.
So small. What is his face though?
No face.
No face. The fuck are you?
I don't know. I like this trailer. It's kind of dark.
I can see. Is that a giant something?
Yeah, it was a giant bird. I don't know.
Not bird, like dinosaur that went okay. How to call Tyrannosaurus? I don't know.
It's full of
What the
weird
fuck?
creatures.
Is this a robot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
That was a giant
Nice.
thing. Whatever. What the fuck? That's a demon. Okay.
Yeah, this game is
And
full
you
of.
you need to fight with those, like
Yeah.
with the ball, yeah? Or also
No, with whatever you find.
or it's like Dark Souls.
Yeah, this is
Ah,
Demon Souls remake. So this was a PlayStation 3 or 2 game. I don't really remember, to be honest, but it's really old. And they make a full remake of the game with new graphics, new gameplay, new zones.
It
and
should
so
be hard, right?
It should be hard, but what I really like about this is the graphics are like super nice.
Yeah, I can see how the trailer. It will be nice.
I don't know if you would play something like that because
Yeah, I mean, I would watch you play. I'm not gonna play. I'm gonna enjoy it. I have like popcorn in the back and some soda. Like enjoy the walkthrough to the game. You know, like you can play it for me.
okay, so this one it's one of the game we played when we were like younger on the PlayStation 3 together.
Oh,
If you remember the
I think I
Sackboy,
remember, yes.
Little Big Planet,
Yeah, I remember. What fun.
it was really fun, a fun platformer. And now they bringing a new one on the PlayStation 5. And it's Sackboy: A Big Adventure.
Yes. Yes, I think.
I kind of like the fact that they changed the gameplay. If you remember,
Yeah,
the
I
old one
know.
was only like 2D
2D,
from the
yes,
side.
And now it's like 3D, like
Yeah,
probably move around.
you move around more. Yeah.
Like you can interact with more things and die to more things. Why?
What the hell is that?
It's a giant Yeti. The fuck was that? A giant worm?
This seems like fun to play, to be honest.
Yeah.
And it has co-op in 4 players.
Yeah, we should play this.
Oh,
Ouch.
I love the world of this. I think in 4 players it's gonna be a chaos. I don't know
Yeah,
if you
let's try that.
can something.
We should try in 4. Let's make it chaos. Oh, so fun. Sackboy.
Next one. I like that.
Bye
Ending.
bye.
Okay, what I wanted to say about this one, I'm gonna tell you after because I want to see if you notice.
Not what? Which is like Vindictus.
I don't know really, to be honest.
It's a gameplay from
It's
Vindictus.
a looter game. You want to make it a looter, but it's not a MMO or something, you know? It's just play to the story and get loot. It has co-op, but there's something that sets me off and I don't like it, like the trailer song, it's so off. Like the game is with knights and magic and whatever, and it's that hip hop song. Why?
To make it hype, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't really like the song on the trailer.
I don't know if I'll play this.
I don't know if I personally like to play this. It's looking a little bland.
Yes, like you're gonna rinse and repeat, you know.
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
to
rinse
kill
and
those
repeat,
killers,
slash,
like-
slash, slash.
Exactly.
It doesn't show any boss fight, interesting boss
exactly.
fight or something like that. So
We'll
it's
see,
kind
probably.
of
Godfall.
Godfall. It's called, yeah. I think it's launching this year.
2020.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this one, it was favorite from production.
Yes.
She liked that this one.
Do you?
I kind of do. I don't understand anything from the trailer, but I would really like to try it and see more of it.
It was a cat or something. A shit. Is that a cat? A bird? A plane? Oh
It's
no!
Superman.
I think it was a cat. Look.
Yep.
Robots again.
Yeah, it's a weird world. I think there's no humans left here from the show of the trailer.
Oh, we're gonna die, dude.
I don't really understand how that works. Like, I mean, sure, there's no humans anymore, but there are cats. So, what happened there?
It's something strange. The-
I mean, of course, animals can live without us, but
But
I want
can we
to-
live without animals? Huh? That's the
Look.
question. Look.
it has a small backpack. Wow, dude, I really like that cat. I don't know.
But I don't understand anything.
Yeah, I don't-
So it's like,
What
is this?
What is this game, right?
Is this
Anyway,
like-
which one was your favorite? Are you waiting for something? Would you like to see?
I mean,
any
I
of
would
this?
like the Sackboy to play.
Yeah, that
And
was
I'm curious
fun.
about Spider-Man as well. The
Okay.
rest was like, whatever. I can live without them. But
Yeah, well,
at least Dark Demon
Demon
Souls, whatever. Like, okay, fine. I don't want to play that anyway, so I'm gonna watch you because I know you wanna play it.
yeah. My most anticipated game is the Demon Souls. Then I'm interested in Spider-Man and Sackboy as well.
Yes, because we're gonna play Sackboy.
Yeah,
I don't
we're
wanna make
gonna play.
chaos.
Okay, so that's it for the PlayStation event. Some games are interesting, some are,
Some was like weird.
but yeah. If you'd like to see us doing more reactions of this kind, please leave it in the comments and tell us
Here,
what
there.
what. See you next time.
Yay.